The package manager includes version compatibility information. Package authors can add version compatibility information to their packages on the Dynamo Package Manager website. This allows you to identify versions that are compatible with your setup. The install button defaults to a compatible version if one is available. The TuneUp extension for monitoring graph performance has also been improved. TuneUp is a profiling extension that logs how long each node takes to run and displays this information in a sidebar. This allows you to identify problem areas to optimize graph performance and understand which operations take the most time to execute. TuneUp is available as a built-in extension. Access TuneUp in the extensions menu in Dynamo. The Mesh Toolkit is available out of the box, and it allows users to import meshes from file formats like OBJ and .mix. It can also create meshes from Dynamo geometry objects and manually build meshes using vertices and indices. The toolkit also provides nodes for modifying and repairing meshes, as well as extracting horizontal slices for fabrication purposes. The Python Net3 package is available in the package manager. The new Python Net3 engine in Dynamo allows independent updates without waiting for the new Dynamo or Revit releases. It improves .NET compatibility, fixes inerrable detection, and updates key packages like NumPy and pandas. However, some scripts may need adjustments due to breaking changes. After installing the package, you can set the Python engine for Python script nodes by double-clicking the node and selecting the engine from the drop-down menu or from the node options, the three-dot menu, Python engine version. There have also been multiple workflow enhancements or user experience optimizations. The help documentation is available for 200 additional nodes. For more details, you can see the node changes page. CSI reference values have been removed from Revit content files starting in Revit 26. Sample files no longer include parameter values for omni-class number, omni-class title, keynote, and assembly code, and the assembly description. As a result, Dynamo for Revit sample graphs that include these parameters have been updated. Graphs reading these parameter values will now return empty results, which may affect subsequent nodes in your workflow. To ensure they continue working as expected, review and update any nodes that rely on these values. Length parameter has been renamed to system length. The length parameter for structural steel framing elements, so beams and columns, to maintain functionality, just adjust any graph that relies on this parameter name. For example, using the element.getParameterValueByName API method. Several nodes have been removed and deprecated. Refer to the node changes page for full details and recommended replacement nodes. And for a complete list of highlights, see what's new in Dynamo for Revit 3.4.1. To find more major updates and what they mean and how to use them, just go ahead and take a look at the Dynamo blog.